Namaste, children. I hope everybody are safe and fine at home. Okay, good. So, children, now we are going to start our EVS session now. This is our EVS session. We are going to see about the next lesson. Okay. Now, this is our Little Thinker book. Little Thinker, that is Environmental Studies EVS book. Now, everybody get ready with your EVS book, pencil, eraser, sharpener and everything. Be ready, children. Okay. Everybody should be always be ready with your pencil, eraser, everything. Okay, children. This is our EVS lesson 4, safety. SAFETY, safety. Before going into the session, we can see about the good habits. Okay. See, good habits like you have to go early to bed. Whenever you are going to bed, you have to go early to bed. You can have your dinner early, then go to bed early. Have to then wake up early from the bed. You have to wake up early from the bed. You have to brush your teeth. You have to brush twice a day. Morning also you have to brush your teeth, and the night also you have to brush your teeth properly. Okay. Then after that you have to go to the potty, then take a clean bath. Everybody should take a clean bath, then wear a clean dress, then you can go for meditation, then you can dress up, then you can have a good breakfast. Okay, these are the few good habits you have to follow day to day life. Daily you have to follow this daily in your life. This is your routine habit. Okay, children. Next, this is the lesson now, safety rules and that you have to follow at home and school. SAFETY, safety. RULES, rules. Safety rules at at HOME, home, and SCHOOL, school. Safety rules at home and school. See, we have given you few pictures for you to identify whether this is safe action or unsafe action. Okay. You can, by seeing this, if you can say that these are all unsafe actions. We can say clearly about that. See here, the person here is standing inside the water and he is touching the electrical wires. See, if you touch like this, you'll be getting a very great shock. So this is very, very danger thing, so nobody should do like this. Okay, children. Next is the girl is going inside the kitchen and she's touching the hot pan which is kept on the stove. The stove is, the flame is on, so this is not good. So when you're entering inside the kitchen itself, you have to get the guidance of the parents or go along with the parents. Okay, next thing, see here a girl is playing in the swing, and she is pushing her friend. See, if she is pushing like this, she'll be getting hurt. So when you're playing in the playground also, you have to be very careful. Apart from that images, we have little more images same like that. See, this girl is operating the iron box without the parents' knowledge. This is also unsafe. Here the girl is touching the hot vessel which is very hot and kept on the stove. See, this is also not safe. Here the two children are playing with the matchbox and matchsticks. See, they'll be getting harm. So you should not play with the matchsticks and matchbox. Here a boy is playing with the electricity. This is very danger. Don't go near the electric objects and all. Next, here the boy is playing with the pills. He is taking the pills. Pills means tablets. See, he is having the tablets in his hand. He is going to take in. So this is not good. See, without the parents' knowledge, you should not take any tablets and play with that. It is very harm. Okay, so you should not touch any tablets without parents. Next, here the boy is playing with the knife and he is cutting the fruit with the knife which is very sharp. So this is not safe. Okay, so children, nobody should do all these actions. This is all very unsafe actions. Okay, now we can see some safety measures that we have to follow in the kitchen. SAFETY, safety. KITCHEN, safety, kitchen. SOME, some. SAFETY, safety. MEASURES, safety measures that we WEVHAVE have. TO2 FOLLOW, follow. WHEN, when. WEVARER INSIDE, inside. THE, the. KITCHEN, kitchen. Some safety measures that we have to follow when we are inside the kitchen. See, when we are going inside the kitchen, we have to follow many safety measures when you are going inside the kitchen. Okay, children, let us see what we have to follow and what are the good things, what are the bad things we can see in the kitchen. So you can take your little thinker book, you can open it and take the 4.1 activity, lesson 4, SAFETY, safety. Now keep your finger here. OBSERVE, observe. THE, the. PICTURES, pictures. BELOW, below. Observe the pictures below. You have to observe the pictures below. DRAW, draw. A CROSS, cross on the pictures. You have to draw a cross on the pictures. That, THAT, that. SHOW, show. UNSAFE, safe. SITUATIONS, unsafe situations. Actions, ACTIONS, actions. At HOME, home. In the home, at home, in the kitchen, we have to see what are the safe and unsafe actions. See, in the first picture, the boy is, what is the boy doing here? The boy is touching the hot pan. See, the pan is very hot. He is going and touching it with the empty hand. See, this action is very, very bad. If he is touching like that, he will be getting harm. So, you should not touch like that. See, without the parents' knowledge, you should not touch anything inside the kitchen. Okay, children. See, this action is not at all safe. So, you have to put a cross here. You have to put a into mark here in this box. Okay, children. Next one. The next action. See, the boy is, he is taking the object which is very heavy from the table. He is taking from the kitchen on the table. The object is very, very heavy and he is taking it. See, if he is taking, he'll be putting on, the vessel may fall on him also. So, this action is not at all safe. So, see, he is standing without the parents. So, this action is not at all safe. You have to put a cross symbol here. Good. First two pictures are cross. The third picture, the boy is mixing the food item along with the mother. So, this action is very, very good. He is mixing with the support, with the guidance of the mother. So, this action is very safe. So, I have to put a tick here. Tick. Next thing, the girl is eating a fruit along with a knife. She is keeping the knife near to her face. See, here she can get hurt. So, we should not play with the knife. And we have to ask our parents to cut the fruit and give it to us. So, this is also not safe action. So, you have to put a cross here. Next thing, here the two boys are sharing the book and they are reading. See, this both is good. So, this action is very good. So, you can put a tick mark here. Next thing, see, this girl is climbing on the wardrobe and she is taking out something. Taking out the files and cloths. So, this action is not at all safe. So, you have to put a cross mark here. See, in all the 6 actions, you can see the first action is not safe. So, you can put a cross here. Second action is also not safe. Put a cross. Third action is safe. You can put a tick here. Fourth action is not safe. Into mark. Fifth action is safe. You can put a tick mark here. Next action is not safe. You can put a cross mark here. Only 2 actions are safe here. You can check it now. Now see here, cross, cross, tick, cross, tick, cross. Okay, these are the safe and unsafe actions that we have to follow in the kitchen. Whenever we are entering inside the kitchen, we have to inform to our parents that I am going to take that, I am going to take any fruits or anything. You should not go without the parents or informing to the parents. You should not touch any hot objects which is kept on the stove or any cupboard or anything. Okay children, so you should be very safe, because that is the place we'll be having very hot things and sharp things. We'll be having the knife, everything will be there inside the kitchen. So when you are entering inside the kitchen, please be careful. You have to ask your parents to come along with you and take you whatever you want to take inside the kitchen. Okay children, next we are going to see about the playground safety. SAFETY, safety. Next is playground, PLAY, play. GROUND, ground, playground, safety, playground. SOME, some, SAFETY, safety. MEASURES, measures, some safety measures. THAT, that. WEVHAVE, have. TO2, FOLLOW, follow. WHEN, when. WEVARER, PLAYING, playing. In the playground, PLAY, play. GROUND, ground, playground. Some safety measures that we have to follow when we are playing in the playground. Okay children, when we are playing in the playground, we have to follow many safety measures. Let us see what we are going to follow. Now take the next activity. Now keep the finger. OBSERVE, observe. The, THE, the. PICTURS, pictures. BELOW, below. DRAW, draw. A CROSS, cross. On the pictures. PICTURES, pictures. That, THAT, that. SHOW, show. UNSAFE, safe. SITUATIONS, unsafe situations or actions. ACTIONS, actions in the playground. We can see what are the unsafe situations or safe actions that we have to follow in the playground. See the first picture. See the first picture children. First thing, in this here, the boy is playing in the swing. He is playing in the swing and he is, see his friend is coming in front of him and he is pushing. This boy is pushing that girl. See, this girl is getting hurt here. So when we are playing in the swing and all, we have to be very careful. We have to look around and see whether anybody is coming near to you and whether they are getting hurt by you. Okay, so you have to be very careful. So this action is not at all safe. You can put a cross symbol here. Next action, see this action here, the boys are playing football and two girls are playing the seesaw. So this action is safe. They are not at all disturbing anybody and not hurting anybody. So this action is very safe. You have to put a tick here. Next action, see this boy is climbing on the slide upside down. See how he is climbing. This action is not at all good. So you have to put a cross symbol here. Next thing, the two of them are playing football and they are quarreling and fighting each other. So this action is not at all good. So you have to put a cross symbol here. See in this full pictures, all the four pictures, first one is cross, second one is correct action, third one is cross, fourth one is cross. So in this only three actions are unsafe and only one action is safe. So children, everybody be careful when you are playing in the playground. You have to look around everybody. If any kids or anybody is coming near you when you are playing, you have to watch everybody and you should not disturb anybody. Okay children, by you they should not get any hurt. So you can check the safe and unsafe actions here. See, only first one is unsafe, second one is safe, third one unsafe, fourth one is also unsafe. Like this, you have to see the measures, what and all we have to play in the, what you have to follow in the playground. Okay, see, when you are playing inside the playground or when you are going inside the kitchen and all, you have to be very aware. When you are going inside the kitchen, many sharp things are there, hot things, and everything is there. Mummy used to cook there, she used to keep all the hot items, so you have to be very careful when you're going inside the kitchen. If there is any pressure cooker or any hot items or anything is there, you have to be very careful. You should not touch anything because you'll be getting hurt. You're all very soft cuties, so you have to be very careful. You should not go inside the kitchen without the parents' guidance. Okay, you should not climb on anything, so you have to be very careful. So if you're getting hurt, you'll be getting more harm. It will be very painful, so you have to be very careful. Okay children, so these are few safety measures we have to follow inside the kitchen as well as in the playground. Okay children, okay ma. So by this we can end our first session. Okay, thank you.